Success is not a destination, it's a journey, and hence, every accomplishment is a decision to try. Hi, my name is Palak Shah, and I have been with Collabra for 8.5 years, and currently I'm working in a capacity of a senior account manager. Ever since I knew about Collabra, I was always wishing to work with this dynamic and diverse organization. And when the opportunity struck, I was referred to the organization by my husband, and ever since then I was fortunate and super excited for my first day. I never felt like I'm stepping into the world of unknowns. Rather, I was fortunate enough to step into the world of immense knowledge and opportunities. My first 60 days with Collabra were immersive and engaging, with comprehensive training session and team integration. The very first step into the premises made me feel the warmth of people and organization. Since I was surrounded by a lot of tenured resources as well as juniors, the energy was high and it was great fun settling in and fostering my professional growth and collaboration with the company. My journey with Collabra has been transformative. Collabra never ceases to surprise its people. Every day here is a new learning, new opportunity, and new experience. I had heard a lot about the hype of Blaze, but it was an absolute amazing feeling to win the President's Club Award in my initial years. President's Club trip to Dubai was a great escapade with the top achievers of the company. Over these 8+ years, the most valuable aspect undoubtedly has been the opportunities and learnings. Additionally, my colleagues, whom I call friends for life, the strong leadership and the collaborative culture of Collabra has been few of the strong pillars giving me the enriching experience and rewarding times and has motivated me to continue my journey here. When Collabra hit the $1 billion milestone, that was the most proudest moment for myself, since that was the day when the perseverance and hard work of every collaborant was finally paid off. Looking back, I would always tell my younger self that the decision to join Collabra could have been a little earlier than what it was. In all honesty, there have been a lot of people who significantly impacted my journey at Collabra, but the two most important ones are Vijaypal Rawat and Drupad Mistry.
Palak knows the art of balancing her personal and professional life so well. She does it by setting up clear boundaries and prioritizing her tasks on daily basis.
I have learned a lot of things from her, especially how to be patient when the times are tough. And the best thing about her is she approves my leaves without any questions.
Staying with the company for a long time might sound a little millennial, but trust me, it has a lot of added advantages. Right from the visibility to business operation to the exposure into the multiple facets of the department you are in, like the sales, talent acquisition, etc. Learning from the industry leaders and a lot of professional well-being and productivity. If you've chosen staffing as your career, Collabra is an absolute top-notch and a best place to work at. I would advise just stick to your basic and be truthful to yourself. A heartfelt gratitude to all my colleagues and friends who've been a part of my wonderful journey, and most importantly, my family who have been pillars each day. I feel proud to be a part of Collabra.